to efficiently clean the air in your home. The unit features a 3-stage air filtration system that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including ultrafine dust, allergens, smoke, and other pollutants. The advanced filter system begins with a pre-filter that captures larger particles like hair and dust. Next, an activated carbon filter then traps odors from smoke, cooking fumes, and chemicals. Finally, a true HEPA filter captures ultrafine particles and allergens down to 0.3 microns in size. The filters must be replaced every 6 to 12 months depending on usage. The Coway AP 1512HH uses a 4-speed fan that can be manually adjusted or automatically controlled based on the air quality sensor. At the lowest setting, the purifier operates at an almost silent 19 dB, about the same sound level of a soft whisper. At the highest setting, the unit reaches 58 dB, which is similar to normal conversation. The air purifier's CADR, Clean Air Delivery Rate, rating is 236 cubic feet per minute, CFM, on the highest fan speed. The filter replacement reminder light indicates when the pre-filter or true HEPA filter needs replacement. Coway also includes features like a child lock, filter block detect alarm, and auto shut-off timer to further enhance the unit's usability. The modern and sleek design features a curved surface with a rounded knob to adjust the fan speed, volume control for the optional ionizer, and an LED to indicate operation status. The unit is also equipped with optional ionizer functionality to further improve air quality. Overall, the Coway AP 1512HH performs exceptionally well at noticeably improving indoor air quality. Through extensive lab and real-world testing, the air purifier has been proven to capture particulate matter, allergens, odors, and other pollutants with a high degree of efficiency. In Consumer Reports tests, the Coway purifier reduced 99% of cigarette smoke particles during a 2-hour period. Similarly, independent testing by the ABT Electronics Lab showed that the unit reduced 99% of dust particles in under 30 minutes. In practice, owners of the Coway AP 1512HH report a noticeable decrease in sneezing, itchy eyes, and other allergy symptoms after running the purifier for a number of hours on the higher fan settings. The unit's capable filter system and powerful CADR rating make it well suited for bedrooms, small to medium offices, and living areas up to 361 square feet. Due to its whisper-quiet operation, the air purifier can run continuously without significantly disrupting sleep or concentration. In conclusion, the combination of sophisticated true HEPA filtration, activated carbon filtration, robust airflow, and ease of use make the Coway AP 1512HH Mighty Air Purifier a top choice for effectively cleaning indoor air. While not the most aesthetically pleasing design, the purifier's exceptional performance, quiet operation, and affordable price point help make up for its utilitarian looks. If your priorities are high-efficiency air purification and neutralizing common allergens and pollutants, the Coway Mighty Air Purifier certainly lives up to its name by delivering powerful yet quiet performance. The Coway AP 1512HH Mighty Air Purifier is a powerful and effective air purifier that is designed to improve the quality of the air in your home or office. The purifier is equipped with a 4-stage filtration system that includes a pre-filter, activated carbon filter, true HEPA filter, and ionizer. The pre-filter captures larger particles like dust and hair, while the activated carbon filter absorbs odors and gases.